Hello everyone, my name's Matt Dugan, Corporate Executive Chef with Vitamix, and today I'd like to walk you through our Explorian E310 blender. It comes standard with 48-ounce container and tamper and some simple features that allow you to use the versatility of the Vitamix machine to its fullest. A simple on-off switch, variable speed, and variable pulse allow you to do anything that you'd like to do in a Vitamix blender. Today, we're going to be making a simple almond milk. Especially when it comes to things like raw or roasted nuts and whole pitted dates, and turn them into the smoothest nut milk you can make at home, full of fiber and nutrition. Again, that's our Explorian E310.